Just look at the amount of walkable space in this living room. So this is your very spacious kitchen. Just look at the space in this room, guys. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Bayland Residences Awad. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right here is the sales office. Have a look at it. Now let me take you to the main road and show you the connectivity and the neighborhood. Let's go. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Right behind me is the main gate. This is the main land parcel. Check out the main road and the neighborhood. The left leads you to the highway and the right leads you to Sobo. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which will lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 1 acres with 1 towers, ground plus 43 floors with a configuration of 2-3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this project has 50 plus world-class amenities including swimming pool, basketball turf, cricket turf, infinity pool, kids play area and many more. Talking about connectivity of this project is located in Mahim West opposite Paradise Cinema with Western Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes, Mahim Station at a distance of just 10 minutes, upcoming Aqualine Metro Station at a distance of just 1 minute, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer, and the best part, BKC from here is just 10 minutes. Now let's go check the sample flat out. So now let me give you the sample flat tour of this 3 BHK with an area of 1256 square feet. As I enter, this is your very spacious living room. Just look at the amount of walkable space in this living room. After placing your entire sofa set over here and TV unit over here, there's still so much of space. And here you get French window along with your deck. Just have a look at the deck. And the best part of this deck is that you're going to be getting this as a sea view flat. So the poster that you can see, this is exactly the view which you're going to be getting in this apartment, guys. So it's a dream for Mumbaikars. And right here is your dining space. So a 6 to 8 seater of dining space can easily accommodate over here. So they've taken care of a separate dining space. So your living room space is not disturbed at all. A quite spacious living room. Now let's go ahead. As I move ahead, to my right is your common washroom. Just have a look at the washroom. You'll get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fitting. Such a spacious common washroom for your guests. Moving ahead, to my left is your kitchen. Now let's go have a look at your kitchen. So this is your very spacious kitchen. You'll get 2 sides of parallel platform. You can adjust according to you. So right here is your microwave oven space. These are your shelves area where you can use it for storage or whatever. And right where your microwave and oven place ends, this is your refrigerator area. So a double door refrigerator can easily fit in. Moving ahead to the best part. So yeah, this is your dry space for your washing machine, a quite spacious one, as equivalent as the balcony area. So nothing is congested. And as we walk ahead, this is your servant's room. So have a look at the servant's room, and right here is the entry for your servant's room. And this is your wardrobe for servants. Right there is their attached washroom. So your privacy is not disturbed and they'll have their own washroom. And the best part of this servant room is that they have their separate entry and exit. So your privacy is not disturbed. You don't have to open the door. They can come walk in from different entry and exit. So that's the best part. And it's quite spacious, attached to the dry space. Now let's go check out the rooms. As I move ahead, this is your first bedroom. Just have a look at this bedroom. such a spacious bedroom. A whole king size bed is placed over here. Still there's so much of walkable space. And right here you get half French window attached. Again a sea view room. Right here is your wardrobe space, so a whole wall dedicated for your wardrobe space. So no issue of storage at all, and there's still so much of walkable space. Now let's go check out the attached washroom. Have a look at the attached washroom. I must say it's a actually very spacious attached washroom. In Mumbai we do not get flats with such big attached washroom. A separated shower area. Again you get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's go check out the bedroom number 2. So as we enter to bedroom number 2, this is your foyer space, the best part of this room. You can utilize this space as anything, as a running cupboard or your shoe rack, anything. Now let's go. As we enter, right here is your attached washroom. Again, a quite spacious attached washroom. You get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fitting. And then right here is your very spacious bedroom. So again, a whole king size bed is placed over here. There's still so much of walkable space in this room, guys. No room is congested at all. Right here is your French window. So you'll be getting French window with the city and sea view. And this is your wardrobe space. Again, a whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe space, and still there's so much of walkable space. Now let's go check out the last bedroom, the master bedroom of this house. But before moving ahead, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. As we enter, right here is your attached washroom. A quite spacious attached washroom, I must say. All the washrooms of this house is quite spacious. Again, you get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And right here then is your master bedroom. Just look at the space in this room, guys. Such a big room. After a whole king-size bed also, there's so much of walkable space. Right here you can place your study area where you can do your office work, work from home, whatever. Again, you'll be getting French window attached and the sea view. Right here is your wardrobe area. So again, a whole wall dedicated for your wardrobe area. So all the rooms in this house is quite spacious, I must say. So this was the sample flat tour of Bayline Residences by Award Group. To get more information about this project, do check the comment section, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.